Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to prepare products for Amazon FBA. Let's get into it. When preparing products for Amazon FBA, it's crucial to ensure they're packaged correctly to meet Amazon standards. This not only helps in maintaining the quality of your products, but also ensures they reach customers in perfect condition. Start by selecting the right packaging for your product. Make sure it's sturdy enough to protect the item during shipping and handling. If your product is fragile, consider using bubble wrap or padding to prevent damage. For liquids or items that might leak, use sealed bags to contain any spills. Next, you'll need to label your products correctly. Each item should have a barcode, known as an FNSKU, Fulfillment Network Stock Keeping Unit, that's unique to your product. If you're selling a multi-pack or a bundle, make sure each unit within that package also has its FNSKU. The label should be placed in a clear, visible spot on the outside of the packaging. Amazon also requires that you list any expiration dates prominently on the packaging if applicable. Make sure the expiration date is easy to read and allows enough time for the product to be sold before it expires. Finally, prepare your products for shipment. Use a sturdy box that can withstand the rigors of shipping. Make sure to fill any empty spaces in the box with packing material to prevent the products from moving around. Seal the box securely and label it with the shipping label provided by Amazon. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your products meet Amazon's requirements and are ready to be shipped to their fulfillment centers without any issues. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.